Are you hungry? Because if so, you're in the right place. Today we're making the special Furikake.
Give me something good.
Hi, and welcome to another episode of Görgött. Well, you've seen me use this Furikake for a lot of things. I think it's a perfect kind of seasoning for so many dishes. And I'll show you today how I make it. And it's really simple. It's all with ready-made things that you can buy in the Nation store. And it goes really fast. So I'll show you how we're doing that. But before we have a look at the ingredients, do me the huge favor. If you're not a subscriber to the channel yet, please hit that subscribe button and check the bell icon so that you get a notification every Tuesday when a new episode comes out. But now let's have a look. So here on the board we have 6 ingredients. And I'll tell you how you can switch it around. But let's first start with the fried onions. It's these ones. Fried red onion, 300 grams. And then we have 25 grams of nori leaves. We're going to use some sushi rice seasoning. It's basically powdered vinegar. Now, I'll tell you, we can exchange this for something else. Here we have 3 different kinds of sesame seeds. We have Yuzu, we have Wasabi, and we have Kimchi. There's a 4th one, and that's ume, so the Japanese plum, and that's quite sour. So if you can find this, the shop was out of it today, so I couldn't have it. But you can replace the vinegar seasoning with the ume sesame seeds. But since they didn't have it, we're going to use the powdered vinegar. We'll start with blitzing the nori and the onion, and that's basically it. You then mix it together, but I'll show you quickly. And I forgot, it's 90 grams each. So 300 grams of the onions, 19 grams each of the sesame seed, and 25 grams of the nori. So I'm putting this into the Thermomix. You can put it into any kind of blender that can cut small. Get the lid on. And we're just going to blitz this up. This is going to be loud, so I won't bore you with it. I'll see you in a bit. And there we are. It's very fine now, but that's perfect for the furikake. So we're just going to pour this out into a big bowl. And now in with our nori. We'll make it a bit smaller. And this is so quick, and it keeps for a really long time as well, so you can make big batches. And again, we're just going to blend this up. See you in a bit. And there again, I'm happy with that. We're going to pour that into the big bowl, and yeah, we'll clean up here a bit. So we just shake this out as well, make sure we get everything. And in with our sesame seeds. And for the vinegar seasoning, or sushi rice seasoning, there's no measurement. I'm just mixing in a little bit, and then we'll taste it once we mixed it all to see if we need more left. So I'll keep it here, and I'm just going to taste it. Yeah, I'm going to taste it with my hand as well, but I'm going to mix it with my hand. Make sure to mix it really well. Now let's give this a try. See if we need more sushi seasoning. Yeah. And as I mentioned, if you can find the ume sesame seeds, you don't need a seasoning powder because they are sour enough. Give it another try. That's perfect. And then, well, I'll clean my hand, put this away. And that, my friends, is the secret to the perfect furikake. Yes, it's not the classical furikake, there's no combo in there, but it's so easy to make and very good, so it's really worth doing it this way. And it's all pre-bought, so which is not always a bad thing. Now you can keep this for months, well, depending on how much you use it, but it keeps well. Just put it in airtight containers in a dark space. The only thing it's a bit allergic to is humidity. So I'm going to get this away, pack it off. But if you have any questions, this is probably the shortest video yet on Görgött, but I thought I'd make it to really show you how easy it is and how quickly you can make it. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And if you're stuck with me this far in this short video, do me the huge favor and hit that thumbs up button. It's just down there, it takes you a second, but it really helps me to get my content out there in the YouTube universe. So do me that favor. And if you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe and check the bell icon. But that's it for today, for this short one. Take care. Bye-bye.